Hello wonderful people, Groupie Mom here. Just trying to do a quick 60-second video. I just want to show you what we're having for dinner tonight. This is some leftover pulled pork, and I just added, it was pretty mild flavored, so I just added some seasonings to make it a little bit more palatable for tacos. And then I have some cilantro left over, a taco cheese blend, and then some of my homemade salsa that we made, so the cilantro's left over from that. And then Sal and I made a run to Aldi's yesterday, and I'm very glad that I picked up some tortillas. Very simple. I was going to add beans. I'm not even going to do that. We're just going to have some tacos, and we're eating in. We're not spending extra money. Living simple, saving money, still satisfied. Ta-ta for now.